Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use CargoWise step by step. We'll cover freight forwarding operations, shipment management, documentation, and logistics workflows so you can manage your operations efficiently. This is where CargoWise comes in, a leading freight forwarding and logistics management platform designed to streamline operations for businesses of all sizes. So whether you're managing international shipments, organizing customs clearance, or overseeing warehousing, CargoWise simplifies these tasks with its integrated system that connects every part of your supply chain. In this video, we will walk you through CargoWise's key features, explore how it benefits your organization, and explain why it's one of the most reliable logistics management tools available in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the comprehensive freight management. CargoWise provides end-to-end freight management, from booking shipments to managing cargo movements. You can book, track, and update shipments in real time, ensuring that all parties involved in the shipment are kept in the loop. The platform allows you to create codes, manage inventory, and issue bills of lading, all within the same interface. CargoWise also supports air, ocean, and land transport modes, which makes it an ideal solution for businesses that handle shipments across multiple channels. By centralizing your freight processes in one system, CargoWise reduces errors, delays, and manual data entry, resulting in smoother and faster shipments. Another key feature is the customs and compliance management. CargoWise integrates with customs systems worldwide, helping you navigate the complex world of compliance and regulation. The platform provides features for filing customs declarations, managing tariff codes, and ensuring compliance with local and international laws. It also supports regulatory updates, so you always have the most current information at your fingertips. For businesses that need to comply with various regulations, CargoWise's automation ensures that all customs-related tasks are handled efficiently and accurately. This reduces the risk of costly delays and penalties due to non-compliance, helping your business stay on top of shifting international regulations. Another key feature is the inventory and warehouse management. CargoWise features robust warehouse management capabilities that allow you to track inventory levels, manage stock locations, and handle order fulfillment. You can also use the platform to generate barcodes, handle returns, and optimize stock management. This feature is especially useful for businesses that need to manage large inventories or have multiple storage facilities. The warehouse management module integrates seamlessly with the rest of the system, so information about inventory status and order details is always up to date. This improves operational efficiency, minimizes stock errors, and allows businesses to offer faster, more accurate fulfillment. Another key feature is the real-time tracking and visibility. CargoWise offers real-time tracking for shipments, providing visibility throughout the entire supply chain. You can track shipments by sea, air, rail, or road, and the system automatically updates you with the status of each shipment. With CargoWise, you can also manage exception handling, allowing you to address any delays or issues promptly. For customers, CargoWise provides the transparency they need to keep track of their shipments, which enhances customer service and reduces inquiries about shipment status. This enhances customer satisfaction by providing accurate, up-to-date information on shipment statuses and ensuring that issues are resolved quickly. Another key feature is the financial management and invoicing. CargoWise integrates financial management tools directly into its platform, enabling freight forwarders to generate accurate invoices, track payments, and manage accounting functions. It helps you with billing, invoicing, and cost allocation for various shipments and services. CargoWise also supports multi-currency functionality, making it ideal for international businesses dealing with multiple currencies. This streamlines your accounting processes and improves cash flow management by providing a unified system for invoicing and payments. So why is CargoWise a great choice? CargoWise is an all-in-one solution for logistics and freight management, offering comprehensive functionality that covers everything from shipment booking to financial management. It's an ideal choice for companies looking to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and scale their operations. What sets CargoWise apart in 2025 is its global reach and integration capabilities. With coverage in over 150 countries and compliance with international regulations, CargoWise is truly built for the global supply chain. Additionally, its cloud-based platform allows businesses to manage logistics and supply chain activities from anywhere, making it ideal for companies with remote teams or offices across different regions. So basically, in a fast-paced global logistics environment, CargoWise simplifies the complex and multifaceted processes of freight forwarding and supply chain management. Its comprehensive features provide a one-stop solution for booking shipments, managing compliance, tracking inventory, and ensuring financial accuracy. So whether you're a small freight forwarding company or a large multinational logistics firm, CargoWise scales to meet your needs. So CargoWise helps you stay ahead of the competition by streamlining operations, enhancing customer service, and minimizing operational risks. So get started with CargoWise today and transform the way you manage logistics. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use CargoWise and manage your freight forwarding and logistics operations more efficiently. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical logistics, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.